You will fail as a Christian, even you are saved by Jesus. As long as we live on earth in our flesh, we will sin throughout sanctification until we reach glorification. We are saved, yet we will always make mistakes and we will face our consequences. However, by the grace of God, while we are getting closer to Him, we are striving to serve Him more, even we sin as we are forgiven. The true mark of a Christian is they always repent from their sins, even they stumble. Ultimately, they will be freed from the cycle.